Hello, my name is Nicole Barton, and today I will be demonstrating a lesson on phoneme segmenting and blending. All right, preschool, I need you to find your seats and turn your voices off and your listening ears on in 5, 4, 3, all right, good job. Thank you. Everybody notice Miss Barton has her princess crown on. So that means it is time to listen and learn. Okay, very good. So we have been talking a lot about letters, right? We've learned a lot about letters. Turn to your elbow partner real quick and tell them something that you've learned about letters. Okay? Turn and tell your partner something you've learned that we've talked about letters. All right, and go. Good job. Yep. All right, back up here. Who would like to share something that they've learned about letters? There's uppercase letters. Good job. And yeah, there's lowercase letters too. What else do we know about letters? Who said that? They stand for sounds. Good job. And so when we know the sounds of letters, what does that help us do? What did we say that knowing the sounds of letters helps us do? It helps us read words. It does. So today we are going to practice reading words. Okay? So before we get started though, we need to do a little quick review. And I want everybody to look at the orange chart up here I have. We are going to go through and we are going to name the letters and the sounds. So, just like last time, when I point to the top of the letter, you think, what is this letter? What sound does it make? And then when I point to the bottom of the letter, together as a class, we will say the name and its sound. Everybody got it? Give me a thumbs up if you got it. Awesome. All right, here we go then. Ready? M. Mm. Good job. Go on. S. U. Oh, good job. That one's kind of hard, isn't it? C. All right. Uh-oh. Knocking stuff over. It's okay. We're good. Ready? Let's think. T. Job. Here's another tricky one. Think really hard. What is this letter? What sound does it make? All right, all together. E. Eh, eh. H. A. Ah. Ah. John. J. Ah. V. Mm. N. Mm. O. Ah. Uh. P, G, G, I, N. You guys did amazing. You guys are awesome at knowing your letter names and letter sounds. So we're ready to get started with today's learning. So we are going to use, I have some boxes up here on the board. Everybody see the boxes? All right, move over here. Everybody see our boxes? Okay. Well, we're going to use these boxes to segment or break apart and separate the sounds of words, and then we're going to use them to blend the sounds to read the word. Okay? So before we get started, though, we need to make sure everybody knows the words that we're talking about. So I want everybody to look at blue box. See the blue box? Who can tell me what this is a picture of? You're right, it's a sun. Good job. Okay, so how about our pink box? Who can tell me the picture that is in the pink box? It's a moon, you're right. And our last box on the board, who knows what number this is? What number is this? It's got a 1 and a 0. 10. Yes, that's the number 10. All right. You guys know what those are, so we're ready to get started. So, what we are going to do is we're going to look at blue box first. What did we say this was a picture of? A sun. Good. Now, if you look down here below the picture of the sun, you see 3 boxes. What do you think those boxes are for? Those boxes stand for a sound in the word sun. Okay, so watch. I want you to watch and listen carefully as I say each sound in the word sun slowly. And as I do it, I'm going to place a Post-it note on there so you know which sound I'm at and where I'm at, okay? So listen, turn on your ears, make sure their volume's turned up. Okay, here we go. Sun. Post-it doesn't want to stick, guys. The Post-its aren't working. Let's switch to a different method. How about I put an X in the box as we go along? All right, let's try this again. Listen carefully as I sound out the word sun, one sound at a time. Ready? One more time. Now listen closely and carefully as I say the word fast, as I blend these sounds together to make the word. Sun. Ready? Listen one more time. Sun. Very good. Okay. So, how many sounds does the word sun have in it? Well, let's count the boxes. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 boxes. So sun has 3 sounds. How many sounds does the word sun have? 3. Good job. Good job. All right. So now we have shown that we know how to segment and blend the sounds of sun. But let's show that we know how to write it too, right? We want to show that we know how to write our letters. So, everybody listen. What's the first sound in the word sun? And I know that the letter S makes the sound. So I'm going to write the letter S right here in that box, just like I did. The next sound, listen, what is the middle sound in the word sun? So I know that the letter U makes a sound. So I'm going to write a U right here in the middle box. Now, last sound in the word sun. What was that sound? I know that the letter N makes the sound. So I'm going to write an N right here in this last box. And look, I used what I knew about the letter names and the letter sounds to write the word and read the word sun. All together fast. Sun. Good job. All right, let's look at box number 2, our pink box. What did we say that this was a picture of? Moon. Right, it's a moon. So we're going to do the same thing with the picture of a moon. We are going to segment or break apart the sounds of this word. All right, ready? And my Post-its didn't work, so I will just point with my pen again. Ready? Listen carefully as I say each sound slowly. Ooh. Ready? Listen one more time. Ooh. Now I'm going to say it fast. Listen. Listen how I blend those sounds together to say the word. Moon. Moon. I'm taking each one of those sounds and I'm putting it together to say the word. Moon. Now, moon is kind of tricky because if you were to see moon written out, let me write the word moon for you. Let's see, if I write moon right here, M-O-O-N, moon. Now, we said sun had 3 sounds, and it has 3 letters, so that makes sense, right? But sometimes when we see words like moon, how many letters do you see right there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 letters there. Does moon make 4 sounds though? Let's listen again. Ready? Ooh. Does moon make 4 sounds? No, it doesn't. Moon only makes 3 sounds, just like sun did. But there's more letters in it. But that's okay, because sometimes words do that. The 2 O's in the middle of moon, what sound do those make? Those work together and make 1 sound. Who remembers what sound that made right here in the middle? Let's try it. Ready? Ooh. That's right, it makes the ooh sound. So those 2 O's, they work together. They are partners and they make 1 sound. So moon has how many sounds? Let's count the boxes. 1, 2, 3. Moon has 3 sounds. How many sounds does moon have? Very good. Okay, well, I don't have enough boxes here on my thing to write out moon. Let's fix that real quick and we will show that no, you know what? Sorry, Miss Barton got a little confused there, guys. We're going to do it this way. It was right. Miss Barton even makes mistakes sometimes. It's okay to make mistakes. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to sound out. We're going to use the sounds. and what we know about letter names and shapes, to write the letters to show that we can write the word moon by its sounds. Ready? What was the first sound in moon? Let's listen. M makes the sound. So we're going to write an M right here in the first box. What sound came next? Ooh. The ooh sound. But there's two O's and there's only one box. But that's okay because what did we say that those O's do? They work together. So we're going to put them right here in the same box together because they're working hard together to make that ooh sound. Okay, and our last sound in the word moon, Well, I know that N makes the sound. So I'm going to write an N in my last box. So everybody together, what? Help me segment these sounds. Help me break them down. Ooh. One more time. Ooh. All right, now let's do it all together fast. Let's blend these sounds to say this word. Ready? Moon. One more time. Moon. Very nice job. All right, you guys picked that up. Awesome. Like rock stars. So before we do our third box up here on the board, you guys are going to get your own worksheet, just like the one that I have pictured up here on the board. You're going to get your own, and everybody is going to get their very own Post-it notes. And we're going to work through this one together. We're going to do it the same way that we just did these two, except we will put the Post-it notes on our boxes and we will actually write on them. But otherwise, everything will be the exact same. All right, so Johnny, can you come and pass these out for me? Everybody should get one worksheet and 3 Post-it notes. Thank you. All right. All right, everybody ready? All right, voices off, ears turned on. Good job. Okay, what number did we say this was? It was the number 10. Good job. Okay, so, excuse me. Let's segment, let's listen and break apart the sounds in the word 10, okay? Ready? T, Ready? One more time. Say it with me really loud. Let me hear you say those sounds. T, All right, now let's blend these sounds to say the word. Ready? N, 10. One more time. 10. You're right. So the word 10 has how many sounds? Count the boxes. How many sounds does the word 10 have? 3. Very good. So we can hear the sounds. We can say the sounds. We can segment and blend them. Let's show that we can write them. Ready? So the first sound in the word 10 was T. And what letter makes the T sound? Good job. I heard it, a T. So we're going to write a T right here in that first box. Everybody do that. Very good. Now, real quick, what do you do if you don't remember how to write a letter? Do you just give up? Can't do my worksheet anymore because I don't know how to write the letter. No. What do? You could look at the alphabet chart. That's a great idea. It has all of the letters right there. Where else could you look? You could look at your name tag. Very good. Your name has lots of letters in it. Help you write your letters. One more place you could look. How about on the walls? Do we have stuff on the walls that have words? What are in those words? Letters. So you can look on the walls. You can look all around the room. There are words everywhere. You can look at our alphabet chart, and that will help you write your words. Just remember to try your very, very best. Okay, so back to our word here. So we said that is the first sound in the word pen. Right? What's the middle sound? We got t. Oh, let's listen. N. Pen. Got t. You're right. And what letter makes the sound? E. There you go. Good job. So we're going to write an E in that box. Now we're ready for the last sound. What is the last sound in the word 10? You're right. It's an N. N. How do we make an N? A line down, a curve over. N. 10. You guys try. Ready? All right, blend those sounds together. Very good. I think you guys are ready to go. Does anybody have any questions? Are we good? Move on. All right. So today we are going to practice segmenting and blending words. All right. So everybody's going to get this worksheet. And before we start, we're going to go through and we're going to talk about the pictures on the worksheet, and we'll do the first one together, okay? So, Billy, I like the way you're sitting. Can you go and pass this out to everybody? Thank you. All right, everybody have their worksheets? Very good. Okay, so let's start by, what is the first thing you do with your paper when you start working? You write your name at the top, right up there where it says name. All right. So before we get started, let's look at the pictures. What kind of pictures do we got? Who can tell me what this first picture is? Pig. Good job. And we've got a cup, a map, a pot, hat, sun. Ooh, do you know what this one is? This one might be kind of tricky. Jam. Jam. How about this one? Van. And our last picture? Net. Good job. Okay, I want everybody to take out a marker and we will do the first one together. All right, everybody ready? What did we say this was a picture of? A pig, you're right. So let's segment or break apart the sounds in the word pig. Are you ready? Use your fingers since we can't fit Post-its. As we say each sound, point to the box. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. P, G. One more time. Ready? Segment those sounds. P, G. All right, now let's blend them to say the word. Pig. Ready? Say the word fast again. Pig. All right, now we've showed that we can say the sounds, We can separate the sounds and we can blend the sounds. Now let's show that we can write the letters from what we know about the sounds. So we said that the first sound in pig is P. So what letter are you going to write in that very first box right here? A P, you're right. Okay, go ahead and do that right now. P in that first box. If you don't remember how, remember to look around the room. All right. What did we say the next sound in the word pig is? Ready? Eh, eh. What sound is that? What letter makes the eh sound? I. Good job. So, what letter are we going to write in the second box? I. Good job. Okay, go ahead and do that. All right, we're ready for the last sound in the word pig. Are you ready? Eh, g, g. What letter makes the g sound? G. All right, so what letter are you going to write in the third box? G. Good job. Go ahead and do that now. All right, we have our letters. So let's segment the sounds first. Say them slowly. Ready? P, I, G. One more time. P, I, G. Now let's put them together. Let's blend them and say the word. Pig. Pig. All right, there you go. You did it. You think you're ready to do it on your own? Give me a thumbs up. You guys are awesome. All right, you may begin.